Torrential slide is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its interesting calculation and quick exchange speed have made it quite possibly of the most well-known computerized money out there. Many individuals are considering what's in store for Avalanche and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what Avalanche is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our Avax coin cost forecast. If it's not too much trouble, recall that our cost expectations don't comprise speculation exhortation. Consistently do your own examination prior to trading any digital forms of money. Fueled by the directed acyclic graph enhanced agreement instrument that works with quick exchange speed and versatility, Avalanche is a cutting-edge stage that empowers anybody to make, run, and oversee decentralized finance applications. Torrential slide additionally has its own local token called Avax. There are multiple ways for Avax holders to procure rewards, for example, giving liquidity to the organization. The more Avax tokens you hold, the higher your prizes will be. As well as hodling Avax, you can likewise procure compensations by running a validator hub or marking your tokens in one of Avalanche's numerous dApps. Torrential slide utilizes a decentralized independent association, DAO, to decentralize power and settle on conclusions about the organization. This DAO is comprised of Avax token holders who can decide on proposition that will influence the organization. Torrential slide is fairly remarkable in that its center stage really comprises of three unique blockchains: the exchange chain, X-chain, the platform chain, P-chain, and the contract chain, C-chain. Every one of them have particular capabilities and purposes, however are completely interoperable, which permits the Avalanche organization to boost its effectiveness, speed, and adaptability. Torrential slide technical analysis. The Avalanche digital money answers all around well to drift changes, meaning it will in general move in a similar course as the remainder of the crypto market. Avax has additionally shown that it has both mooning potential and essential help to ascend back up again in any event, when the circumstances are difficult. To wrap things up, the coin's market cap is areas of strength for genuinely. At the hour of composing, Avax was inside the best 20 cryptographic forms of money on CoinMarketCap. Generally, these things highlight a long-haul bullish as opposed to a negative pattern for Avalanche. With respect to the momentary Avax cost figure, if it's not too much trouble, take a gander at the gadget beneath. Refreshed progressively based on different markers, for example, moving midpoints and the overall strength file, it exemplifies the aftereffect of Avalanche's specialized examination performed by TradingView. Assuming the outcome is purchase, that implies Avax is probably going to ascend from now on. In the event that it's sell, the coin's cost might decline soon. Presently, we should summarize Avalanche forecasts made by some digital currency specialists. Crypto master and broker Lark Davis has anticipated that the cost of Avax could reach $100 by 2025. And master composing for the stage The Portugal News says the coin can reach $65 by 2023. Digital coin price has a genuinely manageable Avax cost expectation. They figure the coin's typical cost will bob somewhere in the range of $20 and $25 in the following 2 years. They anticipate that Avalanche should at long last break out and reach $30 simply by as late as 2025. Wallet Investor has the most hopeful Avalanche figure. Their Avalanche cost examination shows that Avax might figure out how to reach $240 by 2027. These are only a couple of Avalanche cost expectations that can be seen as on the web. As may be obvious, there is many suppositions on this coin's future, however most specialists are bullish on it in the long haul. Presently, we should investigate our Avalanche, AVAX, cost expectation for 2022, 2023, and then some. Torrential slide price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Avalanche costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Avalanche will be $19.91. The most extreme level that the Avax cost can reach is $22.76. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $20.83. Avax price forecast for September 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Avalanche toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Avax pace of $19.25 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $17.60 and at $19.80, separately. October 2022, Avalanche price forecast. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Avax cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $18.90, while the most extreme could reach $20.76 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Avalanche may be around $19.64. Avax price forecast for November 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Avalanche in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Avax rate they anticipate may be around $20.22 in November 2022. It can drop to $19.31 as a base. The greatest worth may be $21.74. December 2022, Avalanche price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Avax cost will be exchanged at $20.83 overall. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Avalanche worth to $22.76. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $19.91 in December 2022. Torrential slide price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Avalanche in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Avalanche will be around $49.55. The most extreme expected Avax cost might be around $55.84. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $51.21 in 2023. Torrential slide price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Avalanche, in 2024, Avax is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $72.36 and $85.71, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $74.41. Torrential slide price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Avalanche and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base of Avax cost could drop to $104.10, while its greatest can reach $128.39. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $107.08.